Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome to the blizzard. Look at this. My window is completely frozen. This is that. Come on, Simmons, go bathroom. Stop pushing your face in the snow. Come on. Come on, over here. Coming? There he is, okay. Welcome to the blizzard of snowdrifts. Look how high that snowdrift is. My gosh. Well, good news is that snowblower won't be used when the snow is done. It's blowing the snow off the road, or driveway, I mean. So we'll be fine there. And that's pretty much it. It's not actually as cold as I thought it would be out here, unless you're facing it like the camera is. So yeah, not actually as bad as I thought it would be. Let down my shirt. That's cold. That's cold. Oh, it's in my shirt. Be right back. So here's the snow. It goes up the side. Oh, it's actually through. Oh my gosh, if I open my window, there's snow right outside the window. Literally, we have like a screen here, and it's blown the snow through it. Look. This is a stupid idea, but. Okay. Stupid idea. Look! I'm easily amused. That's sad. But yeah, there's that snow. Whoa. And then there's this one. Ow. And then there's the giant drift over here that you can't see because there's snow in the way. There it is, you see it? Right there. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Whoops, I said on the remote. That's not, yeah, that is. Don't fall asleep on me. 92% uploaded. Woo! Here's the little heater I have. It's hot. It's warming up. It warms up the room, but not really fast though. So, don't know what we're doing today. Probably staying inside like the smart people we are. And not driving, I hope, right? Right, Dad? That'd be a good idea, but knowing him, he might have to go do something or another or whatever, I don't know. Stormy, stormy. Do you want to go see the snow? Huh? You want to go see the snow? We can take you outside. You want to see the snow? He's probably thinking, you put me out in that snow, I will kill you in your sleep, and you will never breathe again. Okay, he sounds like Barney from Flintstones. Didn't think that could happen. Trying to show Stormy what snow is. There you go. Look. Look. Stormy, look. 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 And no, not the camera. Look. Look. He tries to knock it down there. He already knocked a little bit down there. Look. You see it? Come here. Look at the snow. I don't think he's interested anymore. Let's put that back out there. But yeah, see that? Look. It's insanity. Close this. I don't want it getting in here. No way, Jose. We don't want no snow in here. Keep it out. Keep it out there. Right, Storm? Right? Stormy. Stormy. Okay, fine. Heater's still going. Stormy's still chilling. And I'm still chilling. I might read some of my book over here. But that's about it for today. I have no idea what to do. I just cracked my neck. It felt so good. I'm just gonna go to sleep like this. Whoa, bright light. Hold on. Focus. I hurt my arm yesterday. Come on, focus. There we go. I went to pick the picnic table up, and when I did, the edge of the table was right here on my arm, and like bruised it really badly. So yeah, and there's Stormy still chilling in here. Focus, there we go. He's like, get that light on my eyes. I pretty much did nothing for the rest of the day. Okay, I'm gonna hit the bed. I hope you guys have a good day, night, and evening whenever you're watching this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Good night, everyone.